Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. You are now tuned into Life with Jessie Ray, and I am Jessie Ray.
I'm all in, no quitting, I'm all in, steady flipping, I'm all in, we gon' get it, I'm all in, to the ceiling, I'm all in, no quitting, I'm all in, steady flipping, I'm all in, we gon' get it, I'm all in, to the ceiling.
We are going to be opening up or unboxing Maya's Halloween costume in today's video. So let's hop right on into it.
Look at my costume.
Yeah. What do you want to be for Halloween?
I'll be a costume.
Yeah, what did you decide to be for Halloween?
I want to be Ariel.
Alright, let's see.
Let's see what's inside, Mommy.
Let's see what's inside. Alright. Pull it out.
It's a costume.
It is a costume. Alright, let's turn it around. Alright.
Alright.
Let's see. What all we got in here?
Now we got it here.
Open a plastic cover and pull this out. And it's all sealed. One package. Alright. Let's see what we got.
It is a costume.
Oh, look at that. It came with your little red wig. Oh, look at that. Little tiara and a wand. You like it?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see what else we got.
We
Oh,
got
look, they even sent a little wig cap, y'all. That's too cute. And the best part is the costume. Let's see what it looked like. Look how pretty.
It's an Ariel.
See?
It's an Ariel.
It is an Ariel. Do you like it?
Yeah. Can I put on it?
Yeah, girl. It's Halloween.
It's Halloween.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so we're gonna go put this on and we'll be right back. Well, actually, that is all I have for this video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching us unbox Maya's Ariel Halloween costume for today, actually. So by the time y'all see this video, Halloween already have come and gone. So we really hope y'all enjoyed watching us unbox this costume for Maya, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.
I'm Ariel.